Welcome to our weekly cultural emission, where we will embark on a captivating journey through the rich tapestry of Burundian culture. Join us as we embrace the beauty, diversity, and unity of Burundi's cultural mosaic. Let's embark on this extraordinary exploration of art, love, consistency, and inspiration. This is Elsa for a cultural emission. Welcome to the celebration of Burundian culture. Join us as we explore the vibrant traditions, artistry, and history that have shaped this beautiful land. From the rhythmic beats of the ancient drums to the colorful expressions of dance and art, we delve into the heart of Burundi's cultural heritage. Our mission is to celebrate, preserve, and share the essence of this extraordinary culture with the world. Through the ages, Burundi has witnessed the ebb and flow of history, and yet its cultural spirit remains unwavering. We'll uncover the stories of resilience, love, and inspiration that have sustained this remarkable heritage. As we journey through this program, we'll encounter the modern manifestations of Burundian culture, where tradition meets innovation, and where the echoes of the past resonate with the aspirations of the future.